Hi students, today I'll explain multiply any 2 or 3 digit number in few seconds using shortcut. So first one, multiplication of a 2 digit number by a 2 digit number. So already here example problem given 27 into 32. What we call 27? 27 is the multiplicand. 27 is the multiplicand, right? And 32 is the multiplier. Right. What is multiplicand? Multiplicand means the number to be multiplied. And what is multiplier? Multiplier means the number with which we multiply is called multiplier. So now I'll explain using shortcut way. So first step 1, we have to write like this 27 and 32. Right. First what we have to do? We have to multiply the unit digit of multiplicand, that is 7, with unit digit of multiplier. Here multiplier unit digit is 2. It means these two numbers first in step 1 we have to multiply. 2 7 ja 14. So write 4 here and carry forward 1 you have to write here. And next step 2, 27 32. Already we multiplied these two, we got answer 14, so carry forward 1 here. Now in step 2 we have to do cross multiplication, that is multiply 2 by 2 and multiply 3 by 7. It means 2 into 2 4, and next 3 into 7 21. So these two products we have to add, and this carry forward 1 also we have to add. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 4 6, and 2 26. So we have to write 6 here and carry forward 2 here. And next step 3, write 27 32. Already we got answer 64 here and carry forward 2 here and carry forward 1. Right. In step 3 what we have to do? In the last step multiply tens digit of multiplicand with tens digit of multiplier. It means, see here, tens digit 2 and multiply tens digit 3. These two we have to multiply. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. And we have to add these two. 8. So we have to write 8 here. So product is 864. Product is 864. Therefore 27 into 32 equal to 864. So what we call 864? Product. 864 is the product. And next example, 37 into 69. So same process. This is also multiplication of a 2 digit number by a 2 digit number. So step 1, 37 69. So first we have to multiply unit digit. So 9 7 ja 63. Write 3 here and carry forward 6 here. These two. In first step, these two we have to multiply. In step 2, 37, 69. We already got 3 here and 6 here. Right. In step 2, we have to do cross multiplication. It means multiply 6 by 7 and 9 by 3, and you have to add products. So first 9 3s are 27, 6 7s are 42, and you have to add carry forward 6 also. Right. So 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 7 15, 5 here, 1 here, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 2 7. So you have to write 5 here and carry forward 7 down. And next step 3, 37, 69. Already we got 5 3 here, carry forward 7 here, carry forward 6 here. Right. In last step we have to multiply these two. Means tens digit of multiplier, tens digit of multiplier. So 6 3s are 18. 6 into 3, 18, plus this 7. 7 plus 8 15, 5 and 1 here, 1 plus 1 2. So this is the answer. Therefore 37 into 69. So 37 into 69 equal to 2553. 2553 is the product. Students, now I will explain multiplication of a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. It means multiply 3-digit number and multiply 2-digit number. So I will explain by using shortcut way. Step 1. Right. First we have to write 325 and 17. Right. Now multiply unit digit of multiplicand with unit digit of the multiplier. It means 5 and 7. These two we have to multiply. So 7 5 is a 35. We have to write 5 here and carry forward 3. We have to write like this. And next step 2. 325 17. 7 5 is a 35 and 3 we have to write here. Yes. Now do cross multiplication. That is multiply 7 by 2 and multiply 1 by 5 and add the product. It means 7 2s are 14, 1 5s are 5 and add carry forward 3. Now 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 4 12. Write 2 here and 1 here. 1 plus 1 2, 22. So right here 2 and carry forward 2 down. And next step 3. 325 17. Already we performed 2 steps. 2, 5. And this is the carry forward. 3 and 2. Right. Now what we have to do is we have to multiply 7 by 3 and 1 by 2. It means 7 into 3, 21. 1 into 2, 2. And carry forward 2 we have to add. Now we have to do sum. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. And 2, 25. So we have to write 5 here. And next carry forward 2 here. Next step 4. 325, 17. So answer, already we performed 3 steps. 5 to 5. Here carry forward 3. Here carry forward 2. Carry forward 2. Right. Now we have to multiply 1 by 3. These two we have to multiply. So 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 3, 3. And add 2. So 5. Now write 5 here. So what is the answer? 5525. Therefore 325 into 17 equal to 5525. So this is the product. And next sum, same multiplication of a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. So first I'll explain step 1. Right. 427, 89. Now multiply unit list of multiplier and unit list of multiplier. It means these two we have to multiply. So 9 into 7, 63. So write 3 here, 6 here. Next step 2. 427, 89. Already we performed step 1. Now we have to do cross multiplication. It means multiply 9 by 2 and 8 by 7 and add the product. 9 2s are 9 into 2, 18. 8 into 7, 56. And you have to add 6, carry forward 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 0 here and 2 here. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 80. So write 0 here and down, carry forward 8. And next step 3. Right. 427, 89. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply these two and we have to multiply these two numbers. First we write answer, means first two steps answer 0 3, carry forward here 6 and carry forward here 8. Right. Now 9 into 4, 36. 8 into 2, 16. And carry forward 8 we have to add. Right. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 0 here, 2 here, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6, 60. Now write here 0 and carry forward 6 down. And now step 4. 4, 2, 7, 8, 9. Already we performed 3 steps and we got 0, 0, 3 and carry forward 6 here, and here carry forward 8 here and carry forward 6 here. Right now, last step we have to multiply 8 by 4. It means 8 into 4, 32, and add, carry forward 6. So we got answer 38. So 3 here, 8 here. So what is the answer? 38003. 38003. Therefore, 427 into 89 equal to 38003. So this is the product. Students, now I'll explain multiplication of a 3-digit number by a 3-digit number by using shortcut way. So first, step 1, 321, 132. We have to write like this. Right. In step 1, we have to multiply unit list of multiplier and unit list of multiplier. It means these two numbers we have to multiply. So 1 into 2, 2, right? Right. In next step 2, 321, 132. Already these two we performed. So answer 2. Right. Now what we have to do is we have to do cross multiplication. Means multiply 2 by 2 and multiply 3 by 1. So 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 1, 3. Here no carry forward. Here no carry forward. So add these two products. 3 plus 4, 7. Write 7 here. And next step 3. 3 to 1, 132. Already we got answer here. We perform 2 steps, 72. Right. Now we have to multiply 2 by 3. Means these two we have to multiply, and multiply 1 by 1. These two we have to multiply, and next we have to multiply these two. And next we have to add the products. It means 2 into 3, 6. Next 1 into 1, 1. Next 3 into 2, 6. Now add. Here also we didn't get any carry forward, right? So 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. Right. Now what we have to do? We have to write 3 here and carry forward 1 down. Carry forward 1 down. Next, step 4. Right. Step 4. 300, 21, 100, 32. Already we performed 3 steps and we got 372 and carry forward 1 down. Now we have to multiply 3 by 3 and 1 by 2. It means 3 into 3. 3 is a 9. 1 into 2 means 2. And carry forward 1 also we have to add. So 9 plus 2 plus 1, 12. Right. Now what we have to do? We have to write 2 here and carry forward 1 down. And next, step 5. Next, step 5. 321, 132. We already performed 4 steps and we got 2, 3, 7, 2 and carry forward here 1, here also 1. Right. In last step, we have to multiply these two numbers. 1 into 3. 1 into 3. So answer 3. 3 plus carry forward 1 also we have to add. So 4. So 4 to 372. This is the product. This is the product. Therefore 3 to 1 into 132 equal to 4 to 372. This is the product. Next example, 926 into 857. Same process we have to follow. Step 1, 926, 857. Right. First these two numbers we have to multiply. It means unit of multiplier and unit of multiplier. So 6 into 7, 42. Write 2 here and carry forward 4 down. And next, step 2, 926, 857. And step 1 we already performed. Carry forward 4 here. Now, do cross multiplication. Multiply 7 by 2 and 5 by 6. It means 7 into 2, 14. 5 into 6, 30. And carry forward 4 also we have to add. 4 plus 4, 8. 3 plus 1, 4. 48. So, write 8 here and carry forward 4 down. And next, step 3. 9 to 6, 8, 5, 7. Right. Already we performed 2 steps. We got 8 and carry forward 4 down here and 2 carry forward 4. Right. Now what we have to do is multiply 7 by 9 means these two. Multiply 8 by 6 these two and multiply 5 by 2 these two means 7 into 9 63, 8 into 6 48, 5 into 2 10 and carry forward 4 also we have to add. Right. 4 plus 8 12, 12 plus 3 15, 5 here and 1 here. 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 1 12, 120, 5. So write 5 here and carry forward 12 down here. Right, next step 4, 9 2 6 8 5 7, and we got 5 8 2 and carry forward 4 here, carry forward 4 here, carry forward 12 here. Now what we have to do is we have to multiply these two numbers. It means 5 into 9 45, 8 into 2 16, and carry forward 12 also we have to add here. Right. 5 plus 6 11, 11 plus 2 13, 3 here 1 here, 1 plus 1 plus 1 3, 3 plus 4 7, 73. So write 3 here and carry forward 7 here. And next step 5, 9 to 6 8 5 7. Right. So answer we got after performing 4 steps 3 5 8 2 and carry forward 4 here and 4 here and 12 here and 7 here. Right. Now we have to multiply these two numbers. 8 into 9 72 and carry forward 7. We have to add here same plus 2 9 and 7 79. So 7 here 9 here. So this is the product. Right. So 793582 is the product.